Hi, my name is Stephen Cook. I am the store manager for Power Drives here at our Erie, Pennsylvania location. And I want to tell you a little bit about our store and what we have to offer. We carry a very large selection of fittings and adapters, hard to find stuff that you're just not going to find at a local hardware store. You know, from JIC to British to metric, we have a large supply of adapters and fittings. But our specialty is making you hydraulic hoses right here on the spot. So if you have a piece of machinery that goes down in the field or in the shop, you can bring that hose right into us and we'll make it for you right on spot, get you out pretty quick. And we carry a very large selection of hose, different pressures, different sizes, all kinds of fittings. We can cut that hose to size, put the fittings on, get you out the door and up and running. Come visit us at our Erie, Pennsylvania location. Would love to see you, would love to meet you and show you what we could do for you.